Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana, also known as Snuggles, and let's get into the video. So I am using my loudest excuse me, lightest foundation, so that way when I put on the blue, it will get the color brighter. So then I'm using my Profusion makeup palette, obviously from Walmart. I will list everything down below on what I use. This was obviously one of the Coachella collections. So usually for Coachella Fest, they bring out all the vibrant color palettes and everything at Walmart, Target, and everything everywhere. And so anyways, I'm just putting blue all over my face, and I'm using like the lightest blue. And all the way down to my neck as well. Concealer on my eyes, so that way when I put on other blue different shade of blue from my Glam Light palette onto my eyes, it can make it pop. Now this next part is gonna make me look very silly, but it works. I was trying to look for my nylons, but I could not find it. So I can use that and just have it and not having to hold it with my mouth and my hand. But it works. If it works, it works. And so basically with a darker tone color that I'm using with my Glam Light, like I said, everything will be listed down below. With a darker tone blue, I believe I used turquoise. I am basically contouring my face. And so I continue to contour with different shades of blue all over my face, because as you'll see, my inspiration on this video will be coming up soon. Right here, I actually put a little bit of gold and silver highlight onto my cheekbone, onto the highlight, and yeah. I'm using my Huda Beauty red lip liner, and I go in with one of my, I want to say it was my Victoria's Secret lip shade. I could be wrong. I'm not near my makeup at the moment. And I did do my eyelashes and eyeliner off camera, basic. And I am using Mariposa Lashes. Everything is linked down below. You can go follow her on social media and on Instagram. I absolutely love her lashes. Okay, here is where the inspiration comes in on what I tried to do, what I tried to replicate in my own version. And it is time for jewels. Jewels, 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 jewels. And I also want to use this time to thank and congratulate my new editor, Mermaid Ramirez, and her boyfriend. They are helping me a lot. I am so happy that my friend has offered to help me with editing because work is a lot, and I do get to film a lot of things, but then I don't get to edit a lot. So honestly, with her helping me edit, the pressure has been off me, and I've managed to upload as many videos as I possibly can this October, and I'm so happy for her and I'm so glad I have her. And thank you again, Maribel. I know you're gonna hear this when you watch the video, but I'm letting you know now. I love them. Yes, I just placed those all over randomly on my face. More of a green type band thing for the mermaid, and I did also put mermaid nails, and I just love those nails so much. But I really love the blue tone that I did more. I could have done green, but I preferred blue. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.